If you need to recover your Shopify account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page and click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new password that is strong and secure. Step 5. Update account recovery options. Once you regain access, go to your account settings and update your recovery options. Consider adding an alternative email or enabling two-factor authentication for added security. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Shopify account without needing your phone number. Always keep your account recovery options updated to prevent future issues.